Welcome to United Grinding North America in Miamisburg, Ohio. My name is Kelsey Hadley, and I'm excited to introduce to you today the newest model in the family of 5-axis grinding machines from United Grinding, the MÄGERLE MFP 30. Designed and built at the MÄGERLE factory in Switzerland, the MFP 30 is an incredibly compact 5-axis grinding center with a footprint of less than 10 feet by 10 feet and a generous size work area. The MFP 30 is loaded full of features ready to take on the most demanding grinding applications, making it a must-have for grinding complex workpiece geometries to the highest level of precision. Let's take a look inside. A powerful 35 horsepower, direct drive, 12,000 RPM grinding spindle generating 140 Newton meters of torque provides the ability to creep feed grind with aluminum oxide wheels or grind with CBN using the higher speed range of the spindle. Like the larger models from MÄGERLE, the MFP 30 has a vibration dampening effect and contributes to the grinding processes that can achieve higher stock removal rates, generate superior surface quality, and result in prolonged grinding wheel life. The MFP 30 is available with 2 and 3-axis NC table configurations with high precision encoders. These tables are used for clamping and positioning workpieces with complex geometries, allowing them to be machined in one clamping, resulting in higher precision finished parts and reduced setup times. A robust and generous sized table dressing unit is capable of holding an array of dressing tools up to 12 inches in width and 8 inches in diameter, allowing for the mounting of wide diamond rolls with the multiple grinding profiles for a variety of workpiece, and this can make a significant impact to minimizing changeover times. The MFP 30 is available with a 12 or 24 pocket automatic tool changer capable of holding grinding wheels up to 12 inches in diameter and 2.5 inches wide. And to enhance the machine's versatility with the addition of traditional chip cutting tools, the grinding process can be complemented with the machine's milling and drilling capabilities to support the machining of complex workpieces with multiple tools and a single clamping, leading to reduced part setup times and higher overall part quality. In addition, the magazine can be loaded with a wireless measuring probe for workpiece, dimensional, and position checks. The MFP 30 is capable of running processes using oil-based or water-soluble grinding fluids. Coolant delivery is a vital part of a robust grinding process. Adjacent to the grinding wheel is a 2-axis controlled coolant supply nozzle that can be exactly positioned with respect to the grinding wheel geometry and deliver coolant directly to the grind area with precision. Overhead coolant nozzles for wheel cleaning lead to high stock removal rates and prolonged grinding wheel life. Directionate coolant nozzles and coolant through the spindle are available for milling and drilling operations. A laser control unit is utilized for non-contact tool measuring and tool breakage detection to ensure process integrity. The MFP 30 is operated by the Siemens 840D solution line control and features a sleek and intuitive operator control panel. Programming at the machine is executed through the HMI utilizing parameter-based grind cycles. For offline programming development, the MFP 30 supports Siemens NX post-processor generated NC programs. The MÄGERLE MFP 30 5-axis grinding center from United Grinding is ideally suited for grinding complex geometries, particularly those of compressor and turbine blades, vanes, heat shields, and shrouds for the aerospace industry. With a powerful grinding spindle, multi-axis table configuration, large dressing system, and automatic tool changer, this compact and versatile grinding machine has a perfect combination of features to grind complex workpiece geometries with extraordinary precision. If you would like to see the MÄGERLE MFP 30 machine in person, reach out to us at grinding.com or call us at 937-847-1234.